Welcome to Switzerland, a land of enchanting landscapes, rich history, and unparalleled beauty. Today, we invite you on a journey through time and explore why Switzerland is a must-visit destination. Prepare to be mesmerized by Switzerland's breathtaking landscapes. From the majestic Swiss Alps to the shimmering lakes and charming villages, this country offers an abundance of scenic wonders. No visit to Switzerland is complete without experiencing the magnificence of the Swiss Alps. As you venture into this natural wonderland, you'll be captivated by snow-capped peaks, lush meadows, and cascading waterfalls. Brace yourself for outdoor adventures like hiking, skiing, and mountain biking, or simply relax and indulge in the serene ambience. Switzerland is not just about natural beauty, it also boasts vibrant cities that blend tradition with modernity. Discover the charming city of Zurich, known for its thriving art scene and world-class shopping. Explore Geneva, a city of diplomacy where you can immerse yourself in cultural treasures, exquisite dining, and breathtaking views of Lake Geneva. Beyond its natural wonders, Switzerland holds a wealth of history and cultural heritage. Discover the medieval old towns such as Bern and Lucerne with their cobbled streets and well-preserved architecture. Immerse yourself in the country's rich art scene, featuring world-renowned museums and galleries. Switzerland is a haven for food lovers. Indulge in traditional Swiss delicacies like cheese fondue, raclette, and mouth-watering chocolates. Savor the flavors of Swiss culinary delights that have gained worldwide acclaim. Switzerland is famous for its precision and efficiency, and it's reflected in its excellent transportation system. Hop on a train and effortlessly explore a country that is smaller than most states in the US, yet offers a rich tapestry of experiences. Switzerland truly has something for everyone, whether you seek adventure in the mountains, cultural exploration in the cities, or a journey through time. So come, join us on this incredible adventure and make memories that will last a lifetime. Switzerland awaits you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to welcome you soon in Switzerland. Until then, take care and happy travels.